A long time ago, there's a very beautiful looking woman, but unfortunately, in addition to being quite attractive, she was also quite conceited. Anytime someone would try to make an advance at her, they would be very coldly rejected. But they would still try to win her affection.
I am so fine. If only there was someone good enough for me. But alas, I am just too beautiful.
How would we find if one of us could get the attention of this beautiful woman? She is so beautiful, but she is also so mean. Yes, she's mean. But how can she resist all three of our advances? Oh, why don't you try first? All right.
Hello, beautiful. What a lovely day it is. Might I join you?
I would never share my blanket with you. Your eyes are too big. Your beak is too small. You are ugly.
You, Tron, you're so debonair. How can she resist those manners of yours? I will try.
Ma Chérie, you are so lovely. Come away with me. How happy we will be.
I would never go with you. You stink.
Beaver, why don't you try? She won't be able to resist your eager beaver attitude.
How are you doing, beautiful? How about me and you make some music?
I would never go with you. Your teeth are too wide, and your tail looks like a stirring paddle. You are ugly.
Cousin Mies, there must be something we can do to change her tune.
Yes, I have an idea. There's a log over there where daily she goes and fetch water. How about I go over there and gnaw it in two, and when she tries, she'll break and she'll fall into the creek. Then she'll finally ask for one of us to help her. How can you like me? My teeth are too wide and my tail is like a stirring paddle.
How can you like me? I stink.
How can you like me? My eyes are too big, my beak is too small, I am ugly.
Shady.
And so she drowned. She was a very beautiful woman indeed. But no one would come and help her. She floated on down river. She was quite conceited in herself. Plus, rude.